we have a triangle ABC and you are given that this triangle circumscribes a circle. That means the circle will be inside the triangle and all the three sides of the triangle will touch the circle. Okay, that means the three sides are tangents to the circle. This circle has a name. It is called incircle. It is inside. No, all the sides are touching a circle. Such a circle is called as incircle. Then we have to find the sides of the triangle. Only one side is given. BC is given. How is it given in the question? BD equal to 6 centimeter and CD equal to 6 centimeter and BD equal to 8 centimeter. That is how it is given. And what is D? D is the point where the radius touches the circle. The point of contact of the tangent with the circle. So this angle will actually be 90 degree because this is radius and this is tangent. Angle between tangent and radius will be 90 degree. Now what we are going to do is we are going to write the usual step that we are doing for all the problems. CD will be equal to CF. So this will also be equal to 6 and BD will be equal to BE. 8 centimeter. What is the reason? Because these two are tangents from the same point C and from the same point B. Now we don't know anything about this part. So I am going to take this as X and X because these two are also tangents from A. X both will be same. So I am going to just call it as X. What will be AC? AC will be X plus 6. AB will be X plus 8. BC will be 6 plus 8, 14. So I have written all that, whatever I told I have written here. Then what we are going to do is we are going to use Heron's formula that you studied in 9th standard. To use Heron's formula, what we are going to do is we will join this one. Here I have a triangle. The triangle OBD. OBC. Okay. For this OBC, if I want to find the area, then I have the base and height. How do we call it as height or altitude? Because it is a perpendicular from vertex to the base. So for triangle OBC, we can use half into base into height. The base will be 14 and height will be R. Similarly, for this triangle AOC, here also we can draw a radius. Same radius. Radius is given in the question 4 centimeter. So I will mark as 4. For this triangle also area will be half into base into height. Base is x plus 6, height is 4. Now we have the third triangle. For this also I can draw a radius here 2e. It will be 4 units and the base will be x plus 8. Height is 4. Now if we are to find the area of triangle, if you are finding the area of triangle ABC, we can do it in two ways. First way is to use Heron's formula for ABC itself. The next one is adding the three areas. Area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOB. So both the ways will give us the same answer, which is what I have written here. For ABC, I am using Heron's formula first. Then for ABC, I am finding the area of AOC, BOC and AOB and I am adding. We will see how we are doing that. You remember for Heron's formula, you need the three sides of the triangle. A, small b and small c. So we will see what is our small a. A will be 6 plus 8, 14 centimeter and B will be x plus 6, the second side, x plus 6 and C is x plus 8. We used to find something called semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is a plus b plus c by 2. So how do we find a plus b plus c by 2? 14 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8 by 2. If you add, you will get 2x plus 28 by 2. Take 2 as common and cancel. You will get x plus 14. So here we are getting s. Now we have to substitute in the Heron's formula. S into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. I will write that portion also. area of triangle ABC will be equal to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c equal to square root of s, what is s? X plus 14 into x plus 14 minus 14. So we will get x. S minus b is x plus 14 minus this one, x plus 14 minus x minus 6, you will get 8. X plus 14 s minus c. So x plus 14 minus x minus 8, you will get 6. That is how I have got this answer. Then I am multiplying 8 and 6 here, that's all. Then for the remaining part, area of triangle ABC, I am splitting up into the 3 small triangles. For each one I have written half base into height as I explained earlier. Then in everything we can cancel the 2 and 4. Multiply 2 into, we are cancelling 2, we will get 2, no, 2 into 14, 28, 2 into x plus 8. So that will be 2x plus 16. 2 into x plus 6, that will be 2x plus 12. Adding, we are getting this from here. I have taken a 4 common. Now we have found the area of triangle in both ways. Now first one is using Heron's formula and the next one is by adding the 3 small areas. There is a square root, I want to remove it. So I am squaring on both sides. I get this one. On this side the square root goes off. Here we have to square. 4 square 16, x plus 14 the whole square. So we have a x plus 14 here and a x plus 14 here. It will not be 0, so we can just cancel 1 x plus 14. This x plus 14 and here I am cancelling the square. That means I am cancelling 1 x plus 14 and the 16 I am cancelling with 48. So I will get 3x equal to x plus 14. Take everything to one side, we get the value of x as 7. After that we just have to substitute. This is already given. Then AB is 7 plus 8, AC is 7 plus 6.